Hi! Good day sa lahat ng mga members ng QMA, ng Codes and Music Addict Group. Ayan, unang-una, nais namin magpasalamat yung mga admins ng QMA sa naging success ng pa-contest natin, which is the Mr. and Miss QMA. Before anything else, I would like to congratulate all the contestants who participated in said contest. Ayan, maraming salamat sa participation, and talaga naman congratulations sa inyo kasi lahat kayo para sa amin is winner. Anyway, sana after ng pagsuporta ninyo sa Mr. and Miss QMA, suportahan nyo rin ang darating namin na contest, which is The Voice of QMA. Simple lang yung mechanics ng game. All you have to do is like this. I'm going to show you how we're going to make a video of your, let's say music video. Yan. First of all, you are going to introduce yourself. As simple as this. Like, ako, my name is Punky and one of the proud admins of QMA. And then, the next one, simple, yung mga introduction ng sarili niyo, bahala na kayo. And the next one is, para ma-prove na kayo talaga yung kumakanta sa video, you will going to sing an acapella. You don't have to finish the whole song. Parang, kumbaga, few lines lang. Okay, pasensya na kayo, walang okrayan kasi promotional video lang to. Hindi ako contestant, utang na loob. Okay, parang ganito. Listen to the song here in my heart, a melody as time but can't complete. Listen to the song from deep within. It's only beginning to find relief. Oh, the time has come for my dreams to be heard. Ayan, parang ganyan lang, simple acapella para mapatunayan na kayo talagang kumakanta. Yun nga, simple introduction ng sarili niyo. Then the next one is the song wherein merong -1. It depends kung may instrumento kayong gagamitin, let's say guitar or whatsoever. Basta may saliw ng tugtog. And of course, your voice. So, nakakayaman. You must finish the song nga pala. Pero dito sa promotional video ko is hindi ko natatapusin yung kanta. Basta mai-present ko lang sa inyo na I'm going to sing a song with a -1. Okay? Here we go. Kapalan lang to ng mukha. Pasensya na. Wala na lang ko konta. Again, thank you very much sa support sa QMA group. 1 month pa lang kami, pero sobrang dami na members at sobrang successful na. Guess I always knew inside I wouldn't have you for a long time. Those dreams of yours shining on pistachios, and if they're calling you away, I have no one to make you stay. But somewhere down the road, our roads are bound to cross again. It doesn't really matter when, but somewhere down the road, I know that heart of yours will come to see me, that you belong. Ayan. Ganyan lang. Kakantahin niyo yung song with -1 of course para naman maganda. And then, magbe-base yung bali yung after nung submission of entry anyway is kung kailan nyo gusto. Basta, from the moment na ipinost ko tong sample video namin, you can make your video now and submit it and post it to our wall, Codes and Music Addict group. And then, I guess the contest proper will start by December. So, the criteria for judging, hindi ko pa maigigib kung ilan yung percentage, but then, the audience participation meron. So, like yung nangyari sa contest na Mr. and Miss QMA na linalike ninyo, parang ilalike nyo din yung video, pero may participation ngayon yung judges, wherein ibe-base yung vocal quality nyo and of course yung quality ng video yung ginawa nyo. So hindi lang tayo magbe-base sa likes, may participation yung mga judges. And nga pala, yung ating winners ng Mr. and Miss QMA, automatic judge na sila sa ating competition na ito na The Voice of QMA. Ayan. So, yun lang. Hindi pa namin maibibigay as of now kung ilan yung percentage na kukunin sa likes and then dun sa quality of voice and whatsoever. Pero for sure, may participation pa rin yung mga friends nyo. So, yun. And as of now, hindi ko pa rin masasabi kung ilang entries yung valid. Basta submit lang kayo ng submit. Kasi if ever man na sumobra dun sa required namin lang na entries, wherein yung pagbobotohan, mag-i-eliminate kami. So, meron pa rin kayong chance makasali as official entry for the contest. And then, what else? The prize, the grand prize will receive a $100 cash. Ayan. So, medyo in-upgrade natin yung price kasi hindi naman din pure yung gagawin. We will going to do a video. Hindi natin alam. Yung $100 na yan, baka madagdagan pa. Depende kung may sponsor na mag-pledge. Anyway, from the QMA admins, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng members, sa lahat na nag-participate sa nakaraang contest, especially sa ating mga contestant na talaga naman to the hapot ang ginawa sa kanilang mga friends para lang ma-like ang kanilang mga entries. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you very much, Mama.